are looking forward to having a very fruitful relationship with the NDC. But you know, for Akotia, it's our seat. My uncle knows that we are going to retain the seat at Akotia. I think we will help us by choosing more candidates who cannot compete. So it is important that in times like this, we also show solidarity. Indeed, there are certain comments that are made by what we refer to as food figures, or people who are not even closer to the leadership of the party. But sometimes it is important when such fortunate condemnable statements are made, both by the leadership council, to distance ourselves from it and also to let them know that is not the trait of our party. After this incident, we will admit here that certain comments, even from NDC and NPP, some are claiming NPP are behind all these things, and some are also saying that they may be expecting some other people to have died. These things are not healthy for our democracy. And death is something that even your worst enemy shouldn't even wish death for your enemy. So, Mr. Chairman, if anything came from our side, I want to, on behalf of our party, apologize to the NDC and to you, to His Excellency, President Dr. Manama. It is not the position of the New Patriotic Party. I will never condone such activities. So we are happy